Hello everyone, welcome back to Taek's channel. So today I want to show you the tutorials how to make or how to create the spreadsheet from Microsoft Excel from your phone or iPhone. So here, first thing you need to do is open the Microsoft Excel on your phone. And then now click the blank workbook. After you open the blank workbook, you can fill any information that you have, and then how to make it become the spreadsheet. You can just simply click the three little circles on the upper right corner right here, and now you just can click the export. Now there is two options, which is open document in a spreadsheet, or you want to open as PDF. So since we want to make a spreadsheet from this Excel, so you just simply click the open document spreadsheets. And now you can choose where will you save these documents. After you already get it, just export it. Okay, hold on until it's fully export. So when this document is exported into the storage on your phone, you can reopen it and the file will be on the spreadsheet form. So that's all for the tutorials today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe into this channel.